What percentage of registered marks are not used in business? And the owner puts the trademark up for sale.
None.
Ah, perfect. I love that answer.
So
Why is
yeah,
it none?
yeah. Technically, in order to have a trademark registration, you have to have gone to market with the product or the service. So whereas anyone can have a trademark application for a trademark, in order to get the registration certificate, the registration number, not just the application or serial number, you have to go to market. So you have to prove to the government that you're now offering the product or service for purchase in the United States. So for you, in order to register a trademark, you have to go to market, and then you can sell the trademark. The government is never going to allow you to file an intent to use application. So kind of pre-market filing of a trademark application and then sell or transfer that trademark application to a third party. You have to go to market before you can assign the trademark to a third party.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
That is different on the patent side. You can transact, pending applications. Of course, it comes with a lot more risk, of course, that it may not ever be granted, but that's a really cool side note on trademarks. It makes sense.
Yeah. So we definitely want folks to have that bona fide intent to use the trademark, and you can't really have a bona fide intent to use something if you're ultimately just going to sell it before you go to market, right?
Yes, that's so cool.
You can't basically transfer your intent to a third party's, future intent.
Yeah, and I think I want to spend 1 minute on this too. In my mind, maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, I know you're going. You're going to public policy, aren't you? You're going public policy argument.
Maybe. I'm just saying you're not really selling a trademark as if you were selling like a domain name. It's not a discrete asset. It really is the business, isn't it, Matt?
Yep.
So you're selling your business when you transfer rights for a trademark.
Right. And we certainly don't, whereas on the patent side, we want to encourage people to disclose their inventions, right, and to push them out into the world, right, so that they have eyeballs on them. For trademarks, we don't want to gum up the system with trademark applications that are just there for prospecting purposes, right?
No.
We don't want the same thing that's happened in the domain world happening in the trademark world, where people are just out there prospecting and wheeling and dealing trademarks for money.
I love it.